Hey loves, in today's video I'll be taking you guys with me to go see Beyonce at Renaissance. So let's get ready, let's get into this video.
Give yourselves a round of applause. One, two, three, four.
So I'm gonna cut the other piece of lace. Do this in that camera. I don't have any glue, any nothing on it. It's nothing. And that's how we're going tonight. Actually, just like unclockable. I was gonna lose the earrings, but I don't even think you're gonna see the earrings with all this hair. I want to wear the hair back like that, but then you'll see the earrings. Come show the people. Come show the people. Step back. You can get the whole Renaissance look. You gotta keep going all the way back. All the way back. All the way back. Ooh, pure Renaissance. Pure Renaissance. Come up some. It should cost a billion to look that. It should cost a billion to look that. It should cost a billion to look that. Can't hardly see you. Right there. It's giving. Come close. Now we're gonna get out of here. Hold on, what happened to this? Why is this doing that? It's the paper, I think. Oh. She's giving pure Renaissance. Dolly. Okay. Okay, we gotta go. I'm just gonna straighten this out when I'm done. All of it don't need straighten, it's just the front.
So pretty.
Me? Look at you. You stole the show. That's what you're supposed to do. Steal the show. Dominate the show.
Let's get the eye look.
Okay. Head back, all the way back. Keep your eyes open. Okay. Come on. All the way back. Okay. Close it up. Put it right there because I might need some before we leave. I ain't gonna remember anyway.
Now I look like I've been crying.
Yeah, but it's gonna go away. It's gonna go away. Your eyes are gonna go back into being more white. Okay. This is. Okay, tell Dad we're ready.
Okay.
Okay, guys. So this is the outfit. I don't know if y'all gonna be able to see it. I'm wearing boots with pearls. The theme is like a pearl theme. It's Renaissance, so it's really giving nightclub. But I guess it's giving club Renaissance. I do have a little back fat. I can't be skinny with back fat. I don't know. But I lost weight because stress and I ain't eating. But what do you guys think? How do you think the wig turned out? I was not putting up this video until I got the wig together. And I think it came out real good. This is how long the hair is. Oh, I didn't show y'all the bag. Let me show y'all the bag real quick. This is the bag that I'm taking. This is a Coat Gaia dupe. I just added some pearls because of the pearl theme. And we're out. Yay. Go put your phone in charge if you're not taking it. Okay, guys. A whole outfit. This is the outfit. And then we're going to be wearing Apogee, which is my fave. Apogee by LV. And it's going all in the hair. Everywhere. You're going to smell like Mooney.
No, most schools they actually like ban perfume and cologne.
Okay, guys, so this is the fit, this is the face, and this is the look. And we're going to Renaissance. Until I get my money right. Then you can't tell me nothing right. We're walking.
So many people are walking.
We're walking.
I thought we were gonna be the only ones walking.
We're walking. Wait till after. It's gonna be tons of people. We gotta turn it the other way.
It should cost $1 billion. It should cost $1 billion to look that good.
They told us what building we're in, right? Or what we're doing. I'm scared. Hold on. I'm scared of heights. The ticket?
Miami. Because I'm in that hole. You know, all these songs sound good. Y'all haters corny with that IMS. Paparazzi bitch, my fly, my cocky fresh. I'm so ripped when I rock my Givenchy dress. I'm so possessive, so I rock his rock day. When I dance, on a different time, she might start. Big feet and that B stand for bands. If you wanna see some, I said left cheek, right cheek, drop low and swing. Texas up at this thing. I put you up on this game. I run on my frame. Gang, 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 gang. Please don't get me hype. Write my name in ice. Won't argue with no. If you got your tins, I want you to put them up. I know y'all been waiting to see this one, right? Yeah! America has a problem.
Thank you.
Who needs to go to East Line? Who needs to go to the street? We might get to the Walmart by tomorrow.
No, he was though. He's saying fuck you.
It should cost $1 billion to look that good.